Good morning, here's your Chambana Weather Morning Minute for Thursday, May 7th. Today's going to be the best day out of the next week, so enjoy it. We'll see some sunshine, a high temperature climbing to near 70 degrees. Rain showers move in after midnight tomorrow, or tonight, lingering into the day tomorrow. Much cooler tomorrow as well, a high of only 53. It's 43 degrees right now in Champaign-Urbana. As we take a look at the satellite picture again, Champaign-Urbana, central Illinois, right about there, in plenty of clear skies. We've got our approaching storm system off to the west-northwest. Here are the rain showers that are falling with that storm system. Again, this is what's going to be moving into our area as we head into the overnight into tomorrow. We'll take a look at that here with the high-resolution NAM model. We'll put Champaign County on the map and then hit play on this, taking us through our dry Friday. Dry start tonight. It's after we get to about midnight into the wee hours of the morning. We'll see some light showers moving through the area, the heaviest precipitation off to our south. Getting out of here by early to mid-morning. This will be about 8, 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. We'll see those rain showers pulling away for a dry but gloomy rest of our Friday with much cooler temperatures moving into the region. We'll take a look at that here. The temperature trends here circling Champaign-Urbana, approximately central Illinois, warming up nicely today into the 60s. Overnight tonight, though, that front moves through. We barely get out of the 50s tomorrow. And then we have to talk about a risk of frost across the area Friday night into Saturday. I'm going to go ahead and mark Champaign-Urbana on the map here in white. And again, we look at the probability here of temperatures dropping below 32 degrees Friday night and Saturday morning. Here in Champaign County, we're right around 90 to 95% likelihood in that happening. I think our low is going to be right around 31 degrees in Champaign County. On Friday night. I think the good news is that we will probably spend very little time below freezing. I think we're going to hit that 31 degree mark right before sunrise, maybe for an hour or two. I don't think we're going to be below freezing for the entirety of the night, so perhaps not catastrophic, but this is going to be problematic. Do what you can to prepare for at least a couple of hours of temperatures near or just below freezing Friday night into Saturday morning. As we take a look at a wider look at the precipitation forecast here, taking us through the rest of the week, I'll put Champaign-Urbana on the map once again. Again, watching the rain move in here just to our south, or moving in here with the heaviest rain off to our south tonight into tomorrow morning. Will then be quiet, pleasant for the day on Saturday, if not a bit cold. And then as we get into Sunday, we'll see another system moving through, bringing another chance for some light rain showers, reinforcing shot of some cool air, and really just going to be keeping this cool, kind of gloomy at times air mass in place. How long is it going to stick around? Well, we do have a light at the end of the tunnel that I'd be happy to share with you, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the jet stream evolution over the next week. As we take it through the weekend, again, this alignment with the ridge in the west, a big trough anchored here in the east, and that is what is helping pump this cooler air mass into the region, keeping the warmth way over here on the west coast. So the west coast all the way into Alaska is enjoying some unseasonable warmth over the next week while we are enjoying some unseasonably cold temperatures. Let's go ahead and take it out a little bit further, though. We're into Tuesday, Wednesday, starting to see some changes here. Thursday of next week, Friday, Saturday. Now, as we get into March 14th and 15th, we've got a trough in the west and now a ridge in the east. That's going to allow us to warm back up to much more seasonably appropriate temperatures, if not a bit warmer than average, as we get into the next weekend. And this also is going to help us to resume a more classic spring pattern that could again mean the return to spring thunderstorms and maybe a pattern that features more severe weather across the Midwest as we head into the last half of May, which will be very climatologically appropriate for that time of year. Look at the temperature trends then again, watching the cooler air mass settled over the region for the next week, with warmth being squeezed off toward the west. But as we transition into the middle and later part of next week into the weekend, we start to return to unseasonably warm conditions across the Midwest. So there's your light at the end of the tunnel. We'll focus in on the next 5 days, though, and it is a chilly next 5 days. Temperatures 10 to 15 degrees cooler than average. The coolest weather here over the next 48 hours, 53 degrees for the high on Friday, a chance of frost overnight, or a likelihood of some frost overnight. Warming back up slowly as we head through the next week. I think we'll get back to 70 degrees right around May 14th.